Hi friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern training and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Today we are diving into the vibrant world of colorful planters. Have you ever wondered how a splash of color can transform your living space or garden? From boosting your mood to enhancing plant health, colorful planters are more than just decorative items. They are essential elements that bring life and personality to any environment. Join us as we explore the importance of these beautiful containers and discover tips on how to choose the perfect ones for your plants. Colorful planters play a significant role in enhancing the aesthetic appeal of both indoor and outdoor spaces. They serve not only as functional containers for planters but also as vibrant decorative element that can transform a dull area into a lively environment. The use of bright colors can evoke positive emotions, creating a cheerful atmosphere that promotes well being. Whether in a garden or balcony or within a home, these planters can add a touch of personality and style, reflecting the taste and preferences of the owner. Moreover, colorful planters can influence plant growth and health. Certain colors can attract beneficial pollinators and insects, which are essential for the ecosystem. For instance, bright hues can draw in bees and butterflies, aiding in the pollination process. Additionally, the materials and colors used in planters can affect the atmosphere and moisture level of the soil, impacting how plants thrive. By choosing planters that reflect light or absorb heat appropriately, gardeners can create optimal growing conditions for their plants. In terms of sustainability, colorful planters can also encourage the practice of gardening and plant care. When people are drawn to visually appealing containers, they are more likely to engage in gardening activities, fostering a connection with nature. This engagement is not only beneficial for personal enjoyment but also promotes environmental awareness and responsibility. This engagement is not only beneficial for personal enjoyment but also promotes environmental awareness and responsibility. By cultivating plants and colorful planters, individuals can contribute to green spaces, improving air quality and supporting biodiversity. In summary, colorful planters are important for their aesthetic, ecological, and psychological benefits. They enhance the beauty of spaces, support plant health, and encourage sustainable gardening practices. By incorporating these vibrant containers into our environment, we can enjoy a more colorful and harmonious relationship with nature. Thank you for joining us on the colorful journey. We hope you have learned how colorful planters can elevate your spaces and positively impact your gardening experience. Remember, the right planter can not only showcases your plants but also reflect your style and creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own planter stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep planting and stay colorful. Thank you.